What is going on, people? Welcome back to another series of build breaks and fix. We are raw coders, and my co-host raw coder K, aka Kofik, is running a bit late. But we can forge on and continue with the show. Right. We are online, as in every day from 9:30. So in the weekdays it's from 9:30 to 10:30, and then in the weekends it's 9:30 to 11:30. So essentially weekdays is for 1 hour and weekends is for 2 hours sessions. All right. So we'll just continue back on. So I'll just give a bit of a refresher here. Yesterday, what we worked on, we set up our blog for Hugo blog for our streaming, which is raw coder. So that's all set up. And we will be sharing the link very soon. And what we are going to be actually working on today is with our API. So trying to get the board name into the API, which then posts it actually from get the board name from the front end. And pass it to the backend using Fetch API, which is our middleware, and then the backend inserts the board name into the DynamoDB. All right, so we're gonna do that today. So actually continue where we left off. So let's get down to it and have some fun coding. All right. I'm just gonna put this share my screen really quickly. Do that there and share my screen there, which is here. All right, and now what we're gonna do is open up our VS Code, which is already there, but this is another project, so we're not gonna look at that. We'll open another window and continue over there. All right, so just maximize a bit, and then I'm gonna open, actually forget about this one, this is gonna be a bit long. I'll just open it up from the terminal. All right, so I'll just zoom in a bit so you guys can see. Okay, I'll go into my workspace where all my repos are, and then I'll simply do scrambler enhancement and install. We should give me all of them, but apparently that's interesting, that's not even coming. Right.
Hey, yo, how's it going? Can you hear me?
Not again.
Zen, no, I was able to hear you.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I thought I did that mistake again.
You did it again.
Yeah, cool.
All right.
Brilliant. I'm not entirely sure how and if my intro came at the start of the screen.
Okay. I mean, I was able to hear you when I joined, so that helps.
Okay. Cool. In that way, yeah. The intro would have been alright then if you were able to hear me. So
So
that's
when you join in StreamYard, if you go to
yeah.
cam/mic, there's an option to test your mic just before you start.
Yeah, I think I need to start doing that.
Mm.
All right. So yeah, so there we go. Our
Nice.
co-host is here. Welcome, Karthik.
Thank you.
All right. So I just gave a bit of an intro who we are and what we did yesterday,
Hmm.
and I'll just update the viewers that we're gonna be working on that same issue, as in trying to get our board name from the front end to the back end,
Yep.
and at the moment I was in the middle of opening the repo.
Right. That's cool.
Yeah,
That makes sense.
brilliant. Did you have a good dinner?
Yes, I had KFC. If that counts as dinner.
Nah, brilliant. Yeah,
Yep,
that's KFC is really tasty though. I love it.
that's true. Also, I don't know if you noticed or not, today is the 20th episode of this
Yeah,
series.
I, I did. I did,
Nice.
but I wanted to wait for you to come, and then we can actually announce it.
Yeah.
Yeah, together.
L- Let me check on YouTube and see how many hours of content that
Brilliant.
means.
Yeah,
Take a
I'm just
guess.
gonna put the
Yeah.
Mac on charge because that's running out battery. I'll just be back.
Yeah, sure.
All right, there we go.
Mm-hmm. You wanna take a guess how many hours of content that was?
How many hours of content did you say? I would say at least say 300.
What? No. Just 20 days.
Oh, I thought you meant minutes. Right.
300 minutes? No. Just
No, it can't be that. Probably 20 days. That would be um 22, approximately 100. I'm just guessing now.
100 minutes or 100 hours?
It can't be 100 hours. No, it can't be
That's way
100
off.
hours.
It's
Yeah,
just
yeah. I, I would say around 30 to 50.
okay. Yeah, you're pretty close. Yeah, it's 31. Nice.
Brilliant. Yeah, we're making good progress though, as in
Yeah.
terms of consistency.
Yes. Oh, I need to show
Brilliant.
you something. Wait, I'll show you. I'll show
Mm-hmm.
everyone something.
Yeah.
So I ordered a screen protector from Amazon.
Oh, brilliant. Yeah.
Right. So this is what I got. Wait, yeah. Can you see it? See the crack?
Yeah.
It's already cracked.
Oh, right.
They didn't
That
let
means,
me crack it.
hmm. That
Anyway,
means that it wasn't handled properly at all, or
yeah,
the people who packed it were being careless and they didn't really care,
yeah. It's just a
apparently.
funny tech moment.
Yeah. True. Okay, cool. So let's get back to our good old issue.
I don't think it's good, but yeah, the old issue.
Old issue, precisely, to be honest, yeah. I'll just give you. Oh, so you were doing the fetch API, and I was focusing on the API. Right, right, right. So you want to take the fetch
Yeah,
API to your screen?
yeah. Fetch is mine.
Right, I'll just open up AWS then.
All right.
No, not AWS. My API instead. Let me just do that. Crumbler app. There we go. Clipboard name from front end. By the way, just for the viewers, if you guys are wondering what these are, then basically these denote the different branches my GitHub repo has. So what I normally do is whenever I wanna implement a new feature or fix a bug, I normally create my own separate branch, and this is that kind of a branch. So as you can see, I've done that one for middleware implementation, and this is our backend. So I've done get board name from the front end. Does that make sense, Karthik?
Yeah.
Brilliant. All right, cool. So let's get down to that. Um, so we left off here.
Mhm.
So the board name was actually coming in the request body, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
No, it wasn't.
The board name wasn't.
Oh,
We were trying
um,
to console.log it.
it was coming up as text, but not as JSON, isn't it?
So we were doing a two string to it.
Yeah, which didn't really help, did it?
We actually didn't deploy it after that.
Oh, right. In that case, let's deploy it, and I'll do this over here as well.
Yeah, just do a lot of console.logs.
Hmm. At once, so we don't really have to uh, deploy it over and over again, and that's just a waste of time.
Just 1 second. What's the update with the green screens?
So they're coming in. So my spotlight is coming. Um, okay. I've ordered two things: the spotlight and the green screen, and
Hmm.
they're both coming in two different parcels.
Oh,
So I think that one of them should be here by the end of this week,
right.
hopefully.
Yeah.
The other one, not entirely sure because I haven't really got the email.
So which one's coming first?
To be honest, I don't know.
Nice.
Okay, body choose. Okay, this is body. This is that. So actually, this one I'm gonna do as JSON stringify, and then do this. Why is that there? Right.
Yep.
No, that's not right. JSON stringify is that. Ah, okay, cool. Here we go. Cool. That one's done. That one's done. And then board name. That's basically it, isn't it?
Yeah. That is.
Let's try this.
Let's see what that does. Can you actually add a type of thingy though? But it's fine. Like
Type
type
of
of request dot body.
rest of body did you say?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
All right.
Okay, that one's there. Alright, build the app now.
Yep. It's the way to go. Did you announce about our guest for this week then?
I, I haven't. I wanted to do all these important things as in together, so I just will wait for you.
Yeah, and mostly when Sam is building, so
Yeah, yeah,
that's
true.
that's a good time to do these things.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you should go ahead and tell us.
And I continue because I can't do two things at once. I want to be able to focus on this code as well.
All right. So
Yeah,
yeah, we have a special guest coming in on Thursday, which is 5th of August. Um, so he's the principal's dev at Seek. What's Seek? Seek.com. But he has worked in a lot of different companies like NAB or BetEasy. So his name is Andre. He's really experienced, and we'll have a lot of fun on Thursday. So join us at 9:30 p.m. AEST, and we'll see you guys there with Andre.
that's phenomenal. Yeah, he's an amazing guy, man. As in,
Yeah.
I really look up to him.
Nice.
He's really proficient in what he does.
That's pretty good.
Hmm.
Talking
I
of
think.
Andre,
Hmm.
is tomorrow the Dev Cup day?
I would think so. Yeah, tomorrow's the
Or
one.
is it Wednesday? Who decides that it'll be Tuesday or Wednesday? Like, how do they decide?
Oh, it's every alternative day of the week of fortnightly every alternative day. So if it was last fortnightly Tuesday, this fortnightly it would be Wednesday, and then the
Oh,
next fortnightly it will be Tuesday again.
ooh, I didn't know that. That's pretty good.
So that's how it works. All right,
Nice.
do you
It
want to
is
go
tomorrow.
for it?
Yes, I want to. Is it the same endpoint?
Sure, oh yeah. Or endpoint. And in the meanwhile, I'll open up my AWS account and take it from there.
What was the command? Python minus n
Python, for you
http.
would be HTTP dot server.
Oh, that thing is working for some reason
Okay,
now.
cool. Right. That's called
And
tech,
now,
hey?
now I feel weird. Why is it working?
It's not working anymore.
It is working. That's the whole
Okay.
problem. What?
What happened to you?
See this? I just fired up the server, and
Hang on. I can't see it. Uh-huh.
it's already going inside test. I don't know how. I don't mind.
Um,
That's fine. That's fine. Maybe it's not fine.
I think that might be causing the problem.
Yeah, let's try it here. Do we have the home? Yeah, there it is.
Actually, go to your home. Do I, why is it taking that much to load up?
No idea.
It doesn't normally take that long.
That is true. Okay, there we go.
Okay, cool. String. Okay, I'll just go into DynamoDB.
I'll
Not
just get it from
DynamoDB.
here. Actually, no need to worry.
Yeah, I want to be able to see the logs.
Oh yeah, that's true. Um, Also, if you're going to DynamoDB on AWS, just delete all the current boards.
Okay. Come on, matey. Come on. You got this. Come on.
All right.
There we go. So it's almost there. Just bear with me for a sec. Have you got okay?
Yes.
That's brilliant. Okay, let's go into this and see what lobbings it gives us. Okay, so in so if we do JSON.stringify and then do a dot to string, then it gives us the board as string.
Okay, but why is it not assigning it to it?
Board type of object. So the thing is that why is it not assigning to it? Let's have a look. So this basically works. So I'll just JSON stringify all this. Okay.
Oh, that works. Right.
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Stringify
Now it should assign.
there. And then if we pass in the board now, then it should show up. Hopefully. You know, it's it's really interesting how you have actually changed the concept of wow for me though.
Yeah.
As in, wow,
But you haven't
did it
changed
work?
the concept of hopefully for me.
Yeah. Huh?
You haven't changed the concept of hopefully.
Yeah.
That's unfair.
Well, if I say hopefully, then that means that Hope for the best, plan for the worst.
Or just say it'll work. Be
You
optimistic.
can never ever say that unless you're probably saying un, unless you're Paul, you can't say that. I
Or
would
you can
say.
just be optimistic and get your heart broken after that. So whatever works for you.
What? Hmm. Cool.
Did it build or deploy?
It's doing. Should be doing it. Oh, I'm glad you told me that.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I told my girlfriend about how you use the word wow in that sense, and she was really admiring you. That oh, he sounds really not pessimist, optimist, but in a surprising manner.
Glad to know we already have fans.
Yeah.
Nice. That's cool.
Okay. Do this. That one. That one. There we go. So just building, as in deploying. You know, when the stream, when I started the stream as in by
Yep.
myself,
Hmm.
as in the first time,
Yep.
I think I gave myself, or now us,
Yep.
say 6 months max to actually finish this project.
All right. And how much
Hmm.
time it has been now?
It's been probably, when did we start?
I mean, it has been 20 episodes for us. So with me joining, it has been around 20 days.
Probably just more than a month then.
Right.
Hmm. Okay, done. Do your magic now,
Yes.
and we can see. Hopefully, it's working now because the
Did you delete
data.
everything from the board in the database?
No, I'll just go and do that now.
Yeah.
Don't want to do this. Done more. Done more. DB. Let me delete it first, and
Yeah,
then you
that's fine.
can continue and do that.
Yeah, I'm sharing your screen anyway.
Ah, okay, cool. Scrambler DB users table. What is this? A board. What?
What? Oh,
So
that's
it's
fine.
already
That's
showing.
no. That's what we did in uh manually when we were doing it from post.
Ah,
That's fine.
okay. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
If it would have worked, it would have shown it for at least 10 boards.
Yeah, yeah, true. All right,
Alrighty,
you're
sharing
good to go now.
screen now.
I'll just come to your screen now.
Yeah, I'm just making sure it have been deleted. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's always good to confirm.
Okay, I'll redeploy.
Hmm. Yeah, we should do that.
Okay, boy.
Uh, by typing ABC, you remind me about ABC chicken.
Sounds good. Let's see what we got. Nice.
Yay!
Nice. Um,
Yay!
I don't know what this means though.
It means that we shouldn't JSON stringify it.
But then it's not working.
Well, we haven't checked. If we don't JSON stringify it, it doesn't work.
Yeah.
Have we?
Let's
I don't think we have.
try it.
Let's check that, because I really don't want the forward slashes to come in the string.
I mean, we can just go ahead and trim them, but
Yeah,
um,
yeah, obviously, but that would, I guess, probably be the workaround, isn't it?
hmm,
So we
yeah.
don't want this, we don't want this, we don't want any of this.
Also, I was
Oh,
wondering, are we
uh-huh.
gonna work on making it send a JSON object right now, or um,
Making it send a JSON object in what sense?
you know how we are sending text right now? We're not actually sending a JSON object,
Yeah,
and we'll have to make it send a JSON object. The
not
fetch
ne
API.
yeah, yeah.
So I think we should work on that as well
So in the fetch API, how are we sending it at the moment?
as text.
As text.
Hmm.
Right.
And in the future, we'll have attributes like board size, board color, board type. So there's going to be a lot more data revolving board rather than just ID and name.
Well, at the moment, yeah, you're right from a sense that we need to uh cater it for different users,
Hmm.
but I'm thinking that just do a bit of minimalistic approach at the moment to just to get the basic functionality working, and then
But
we can always enhance it.
it's
Uh-huh.
it's not about even enhancing. It's just that it's just sending text, and we anyway like we have to send a JSON object. Like that's probably the right thing to do. Or
Yeah,
I mean, we can go ahead and keep
yeah,
that.
it is the right thing to do. I totally agree with you, but I was thinking to take it step by step rather than focusing on one entire part first for the entire project and then going to the next one. But
Yeah,
yeah, you are actually right that we should be sending a JSON object, so we can work on that as well now. Then it's fine.
yeah. It's just that it only makes sense that before we step onto something else, we just make sure that the basis of it is clear.
True,
Um,
true. Yeah, I'd agree on that one. Because in my mind, the idea was that the only issue that we're working on at the moment is getting the board name from the front end to the back end.
Yeah, yeah.
And now
We
that's,
only do that,
yeah,
but we just want to do it in a JSON object format.
yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. We can do that in that one, and I think that would actually be the right approach because it's always good to transfer data from one end to another in a JSON format. Always
That,
good.
that's
So are
so,
you gonna ch- um hang on? I'll just do this
yeah.
first
Let's deploy this.
and check what do we get.
I'll pour some snacks then.
Cool. Actually, I'll get some snacks as well
All
while
right.
it deploys.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Anyone wondering? I'm having Mountain Dew and Smith.
Nice.
Yeah.
Uh, I'm having these cashew nuts.
Okay, you're having healthy stuff. Now I feel bad.
Health. It's all about as in preferences, man. When I was your age, I used to eat pizzas, burgers all the time.
If it helps, I have whole grain chips.
Yeah.
Nah, it's fine. I'll have Smiths only.
hmm Do that. Ah, I miss those. Smiths and Mountain Dew. I used to have them as well.
Oh yeah, nice.
They're really, they're really tasty, especially the combination of
Yeah.
Mountain Dew, which is a bit, not really sour, but sweet and sour,
Hmm. That's true.
and Smiths. Which flavor are you having of the Smiths?
Barbecue.
Ah, yeah.
Which one's your
A
favorite?
com My one is either original one or salt and vinegar.
Oh, nice.
There you go. That's done.
Oh, is it done? Should I try?
No.
Oh, I
I
can see
meant
it.
the a step before the it's
Deployment.
actual done is done. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it's done now.
Alrighty.
I'll go to CloudWatch.
Mm-hmm. All right. Let's see what we got. Are you ready, Zen?
Yeah.
There we go. What did you get? Okay, we got a board, which is good. It worked for us.
Mhm.
That worked.
But in string is it?
Yes, in string without the things.
Okay. Can I see?
Mm-hmm.
Brilliant. Okay. Cool.
Noise.
So now basically what we need to do is then just put the value of that text box input and re- replace it with a string.
I didn't get that. Oh yeah, yeah, yes. We
So
need
are
to
you
see
gonna
how.
do that?
Yeah, we just need to see how we can access the thing. Wait. Um, how are we gonna access this?
Go to home,
Go to. Oh yeah. Home does.
home.html, as in the page itself, the code. Go up. No, go down but slowly. Down. Made by slumber by. Okay, type in go.
You want the go function, or are you
No, just the Go
that's only
where
the
the
two.
Go is being used.
These are the only
Yeah,
two places.
over there. You
Hmm?
know how you've you've got the input, which is text and then name
Where is it?
on line 32.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Go to index.html.
All right.
Go down slow. Oh, sorry, my bad. Go to middleware.js. See how it's being used at the top in the function?
Use what? Sorry.
Line 9.
Oh, okay. So I can just copy this, I guess. Can't hear you, Zen, if you're trying to say.
I'm just
Oh,
thinking
yeah.
will this work because it is taking the form thing in there.
Hmm.
How to Yeah, try that. Console.log board.
I'll alert it because
Okay,
console
cool.
of logs
Yeah,
gets a bit tricky.
yeah, true.
All right. Let's name it QRT.
No, that didn't work.
I want to see if it didn't go through or not.
It must have gone through. There we go. No?
No.
Nah.
The previous code
I mean,
compiled. Well, one sec. I know what to do. Redeploy. Open a new page. I think I should clear the cache first. It's being really interesting now. All right. A, B, C, D. We're not doing ABCs then. Okay, that works.
it works, right?
That should work. Yeah, that
Brilliant.
works.
Awesome. So the board is there. That one is there. Now we need to work on the JSON object.
Mm. So I was wondering, as I don't know how this code works, and pretty sure you wrote it. Do you know how it works?
Okay. So if you go up, slowly, that's all. That's all. Yeah, just in that one. You know where I'm using fetch?
Mm-hmm.
As in that's the request part. As in I'm
Right.
sending that request to the server.
All right.
And then the then part handles the response. So once I've sent the request and then the server will actually respond something, as in a status, a code, anything
All
that
right.
will come in the response. And then if it's caught any errors, then it will automatically go to the catch.
Okay, that
Does
makes
that
sense.
make sense?
Yeah.
All right.
Then Why is it being a issue that if we index instead of text we do JSON? Isn't that
Do
a body parameter as well?
do JSON now and run it.
I mean, instead of in terms of server format, it's not the right thing, but let's see if it goes through first. Oh my
But
boy!
I'm not entirely sure about this.
I think I have to clear cache every time I do it.
Why don't why don't you just press hard refresh?
I
As
do.
in,
It
oh,
still does do that.
interesting. All right.
Sorry.
Um, tree, tree. Uncaught, unexpected end of input. Okay.
Wow,
Let's
it
check
did come
something.
through, and that is the weirdest thing I've seen in my life.
So it's airing up, but it's coming through.
No, that's not the problem. Oh wait,
Hmm.
actually that is the problem because we are not sending it in a JSON format.
Yeah, we should be sending in a JSON format. Lowercase k, the whole, the after the underscore. Yeah.
Now it is a JSON format. Now it won't work for sure because
Experience
yeah,
talks, huh?
like it only makes sense because we haven't done it in the API. Like we
Yeah,
haven't done
yeah.
board name. So.
Hmm, exactly.
Okay, if it works now, I'm gonna eat my laptop. Okay,
Jason
but
stringify it.
no, the good part is it's going. Then it's literally going. You just need to JSON stringify it. And
Hmm.
why is it going now? What? It
I have
shouldn't be
no
going.
idea.
It
I have
wasn't
no.
going like a week ago.
Well, my friend, this is real world programming for you. Welcome to the real world.
This is unreal world programming. This is a lie.
All right. What are we doing now? As in, huh?
JSON stringify it and do dot board name. Now what we are
Yes.
passing is a JSON object. So treat it
So
like a
I.
JSON.
Okay, cool.
Just out of curiosity, can you hear me eating?
A little bit.
Mm,
So you mean to say in this way, isn't it?
now do dot board
Board
name.
name. Cool.
And
Let's try this.
and actually no, this should be fine. Yeah.
Yeah, this should be alright.
Do you wanna do some console.logs? Because it might not work.
Mm-hmm. Cool. Good idea. Alright. Board name.
Can we add request.body as well? Can we print it?
In this way you're saying?
Um, yeah, yeah. Is that what's? Yeah,
Cool.
console.log is so helpful while debugging.
Yeah,
It
true.
was so frustrating when it wasn't working.
I can actually debug it line by line though.
Yeah, that's true. But then we can't see the values, can we? Like the
We
value of
can
board name.
still.
Oh,
We
nice.
can still.
That's probably a more professional approach to do it.
Hmm. Actually, what I'm thinking that I might do that this time as in line by line, just to
Yeah,
have a bit of a taste of it as well.
yeah, sure. Every time I have Mountain Dew, it makes me realize why I don't have Mountain Dew and why I have Coke or Pepsi instead.
Yeah, yeah, I guess you really love Mountain Dew, isn't it?
I don't, and that's why every time I have
Really?
it, I realize why I don't have it every time. I mean, it's not like I hate it. It's just it's not Pepsi or it's not Coke.
Okay, cool.
Which one do you
Because
like the?
I would say I'm not a huge fan of fizzy drinks. So
Oh,
I'm more like drink juices or just water or energy drinks. But those healthy ones that I've got, I don't drink any other ones.
oh, nice. You're making me feel bad now.
I've been there, man. As in, at your age, the last thing I would care is about how healthy you wanna eat. If
Hmm.
I were you, because as you get older, your metabolism will naturally become slow, and you will stop putting on weight regardless.
Right. That.
Oh, there is a
Oh, is it
comment
done?
I just saw.
Oh,
Uh,
it's for you.
what health? Oh, what healthy energy drinks? Andre asks. So, the energy drinks I have, they're low in calories, no artificial sugar at all, and they also have fruit juice in them as well. And
Nice.
it's really helpful. As in, they're not they're not as harsh as Red Bull because
Yeah, it's pretty
Red Bull
strong.
is really harsh. As in,
Mhm.
it's got a lot of sugar, it's got a lot of taurine. No, it's
Yeah.
not healthy for you. Scored excess, Andre. So X and S, excess.
How much money do you get from the company to sponsor advertise this, Zen?
Nothing,
I'm
man.
just kidding.
Yeah,
Nice.
I love them much that if people ask me about what energy drinks
Yeah.
I just share it, and that's all really.
Nice. That's pretty cool.
And if people want to try it, I can get it for them, and because
Oh
I've
yeah,
got exclusive as in access to that brand as well.
that's pretty
So
cool.
it's not accessible to the public.
Did you were you one of the crowdfunders?
What's crowdfunders?
Like, did you know how when companies start, they crowdfund their projects? Like
I don't know what you mean.
people just put in money to start a particular idea.
Oh, no, 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 no. I'm not that one. No.
Right. Okay. Nice.
This says deploys, so you might want to try the front end on your end.
Mhm. Well, Andre, you might want to check your Slack.
Oh,
I sent you a message. All right.
I think Andre likes you more than me. I messaged
But
him, but I think he forgot to reply me, or he's been really busy
if it helps, I didn't get a
with his
reply.
work.
No, it's fine. I mean,
Yeah,
I get it.
he's a really busy person, as in being a senior dev or a principal developer is not easy job. As in, I've
Yeah,
got really high respect for him.
that's pretty good. All right. Is the F object is right? That's right. We got an error. Ray.
Uh, so
Nope. Nope.
tree. So okay, I'll just go
It's
to
this.
Lambda and see what it says.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes,
d-
Andre, I sent you another message. If you get time, just have a look at it.
uh, d- 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 there
Also,
we
we
go.
had water already. Now I'm having Mountain Dew. So. But Zane's having water.
I'm still having water because I love
Mhm.
water.
Nice.
Okay. Focus in, focus.
Yeah.
19, that is not the one. I'm in the wrong one.
Hmm.
So I need to be in the latest one.
Right.
Aha! Doesn't do it.
Doesn't do
Board
what?
name is becoming undefined. Board name is undefined, and this is how it comes if I just stringify that. I think what I might need to do is I might need to. Should I try to string instead?
Sorry.
Should I try to string instead?
Yeah. Yeah. You should.
To string request body. Uh, okay, let's do that again. Wow, the time really flies. It's 10:30 already.
Oh my days.
Oh, did you, Andre? I'm really sorry. I think I've been slacking and not really looking at my Slack r- regularly. That's my fault. But that's interesting. I think
Yep.
it's something to do with Slack, because Andre, I didn't really get your message if you sent it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be just some Slack problem then, apparently.
Yeah. I think Andre have two accounts or something like that.
Oh, okay. All
Um.
right.
Anyway. Yeah. It's fine.
Yeah.
We are able to contact him.
hmm Yeah, I'll get in touch with you, Andre. All right. I think that's it. l- let's call it a day. We have actually made progress, which I'm pretty happy about.
All right. Yeah.
And hmm?
Yeah, for sure. I think we can probably go ahead and do that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop sharing. Right, cool. It's like um, right, guys. Thanks a lot for thanks a lot for joining us. It's been a pleasure. Um, looking forward to more fun session with you guys, and so yeah, we'll be here tomorrow again, same time, same place, and a slightly different issue now.
Nice. All right. Cool. Yeah, today was productive. We got the board name working, and probably we'll get the JSON object working. It's not a big task. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow at 9:30, and don't forget to set your timers for Thursday.
Because we have a really special, a really proficient dev coming, who's Andre,
Cool.
special guest.
Yeah. See you guys tomorrow.
Fanta- Fantastic. See you guys tomorrow, guys. Thanks. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.